Well, all right. 2:34 here in the farm fields of Valparaiso, Indiana. It is August 14th, 20 and the 23 on the Mayan calendar. And what are we looking at? I got a few things that, I may have been a little early on. Yeah, Albemarle is making me look silly today, isn't it? Let's take a look. It's down 1.25% today. We do have a 177.50 put on the board. You can put it on the board. Yes, let's get an updated look at the Albi and the Marl. That's 3 years. Let's go to 1 day. Let's go to 1 day and let's see. It's volume. Let's update it and see if the oscillator is in there. I think I should be on there. Nope, it's not. Okay, so it's making a little comeback today. So you can see what it did though at open. It made me look real silly. It like plunged all the way down here to like 182, made its way back up. Tried to get up to 185 and it's just been going sideways since, and now back up to 184.71. So that's actually better than I thought. Very good. And then what do we have here? Air products and chemicals. What do I have on them? I've got a call credit spread because my thesis is they're going downtown to Chinatown and they're not cooperating. They're not cooperating at all because my spread is between 290 and 300. So they're already into my 290. I still have faith by the end of the week. Let's look at that. I still have faith. Gotta have faith. Still have faith by the end of the week would be just fine there on the air products and chemicals 290/300 call credit spread. So that is a bearish position for those of you playing at home. Bank of America doing just fine, getting good grades. I think they're down again today, aren't they? Yeah, down 1.5%. So I could just close this out for $13 and then wait for a green day. Wait for a green day and then sell it for a couple of dollar bills, y'all. Could it fill for $1? Let's find out. Let's buy it closed. What do we have? 13 of them? Yeah. So it'd be $13 bills. It would release my 1,300 shares that are being held as collateral, essentially hostage. It filled right away because they're like, you crazy for paying me $13 on that position. It had no chance. But the idea would be is it could easily be green today or tomorrow, right? And then I could sell calls. And if it's, like really green, then we could make even more dollar bills. So there is that. That's now off the board and back in the bullpen. BTI, we could close those. I was actually looking at BTI for a put today because they're down to 32.33, but there's just not enough action unless we go. What if we went next Friday, not this Friday? So let's see if we can look at any put action. So 4 days out would be just 5 cents on the 32, which what's the math on that? What's the math? 5 cents on 32. It's a 4-day trade multiplied by 365. Hey, that's not horrible on a security, on a stock that I would have no trouble owning at 32 dollar bills. But let's go a week out just to see what kind of, if can we beat that? Oh, it's a month. I forgot their monthlies. You're insane. When did they pay another dividend? I know they just paid me one. British American Tobacco, puff puff pass, monkey puff puff pass. Go to the dividends. Got to leave soon. Got to go pick up kid 3 from his construction job. He's got a little construction demo going on. This is like the 4th or 5th day on the job. Hard manual labor, which is good for him. One of my buddies' flip homes that he just closed on, basically gutting the entire thing. So, we got another ex-dividend date just a month and a half away. So we're halfway there for the quarter. Let me show you what I like about looking at the BTI chart. If we go to barchart.com, BTI, let's do this real quick because I got so much I wanted to tell you. So many things I wanted to talk about. Hey, that says strong sell. Don't read that. Avert your eyes. Oh my goodness. Let's go a year out just to see if you can see. Do you see what I see? It's, my own deranged theory. But, last year, okay, everybody was downtown the Chinatown here, right? Like in the end of September into early October, everybody was downtown the Chinatown. But look, BTI is down further. Well, that's bad news, right? I don't think it is. Because look, as the market continued to not be great, BTI was like, hey, we're way up here. Because if things get bad, people smoke more, not less. And then when things started getting good and it's like, hey, the market's going up, tech stocks, AI. And then we've been going downtown to Chinatown ever since, right? All the way down into the 31s, got back up to just over 34, and now back to where it's at today, which is 32, 33. So let's go back to BTI. Let's see what a month would do. Let's rhyme it. Let's see what a month would do in the 32. Hey, that's a pretty good number. Well, still got to beat 14.2%, right? And it's 32 days out. So don't be so quick to judge. Let's go to the 32 divided by the 32 days multiplied by the 365. 14.2, huh? Do 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 do. And what's the date on that? The 15th. And when's the next ex dividend date? 28th. So we can accomplish everything that we want and put a few dollar bills on our pocket right now. We could sell calls on the other end. Just talking out loud to myself. Let's just go here for no. Let's watch it one more day. Oh, here you go. Getting all conservative on us. Let's just see what goes on tomorrow. Tomorrow, our Colgate $75 put. It was under pressure earlier. Yeah, it's still under pressure. They're down 1.46% today, but we're still good. Still good at the 75. CRISPR made me look silly. I got CRISPR here somewhere. Here it is. Go to the 5-day on CRISPR. 5 a day, because you see what happened today when they opened. Because I was selling, was that a credit spread or just a straight put? Just a straight put. It's just one contract, but I thought it was like conservative at $47, but they're down 2.5% today at 48.44. I still hold on to my belief that the CRISPR is a long-term good play. So you could see what they did at open. Whoop! Oh, how about that? They depanced me. Now they've come a little bit up since then, and it will probably end up just fine this week, but we'll keep our eye on the CRISPR. What else you got on there? We got a double dog dare $84 put on the Datadog. And it did the same thing to me. Let's go here and pull up the D-Dog. It did the same thing. It opened to me, depantsed me, gave me a little wedgie, and then have returned very nicely. Take a look here. Go to 1 day off the 5-day. So you can see where they open. And it was like, really? Pulled my pants down, gave me a wedgie. But before they can give me a swirly, I was like, nah, back up here. Whoop, up, tried to swirly me, and then I'm back up. Bang, we got even up over $90. We're at 89 and around 89.50 on the Datadog. So what are we in the profit or what? Yeah, we're 50% in the profit. Keep an eye on the D-Dog. Market just had a nice couple of red candles up. Oh, Pepsi still got me intrigued there, PepsiCo. What else we got on the board here? Devon calls are good at 54. EOG way underwater, but I'm in on that security at $106 a share. So I haven't decided what I'm going to do. We'll decide at the end of the week on EOG. Gilead doing good at 79. It's above, I think it's above 79 right now, but it was like up to $81 at some point. Yeah, it's at 79.60. So we'll watch that this a week. Jackson Financial, we may buy those closed because they've actually had a little nice, well, We'll come back to that. Target, I just kind of got a sick feeling inside about Target and Wednesday when they report their earnings. Is it pre-market? Finance.yahoo.com. It's a Wednesday. Let's go to, come on, internet. You could do it. Calendars. Go to the calendars there. What's going on, Elon? I did install my Starlink internet satellite, dug a 2-foot hole. You ever dig a 2-foot hole like straight down with a regular shovel? It gets real hard at the end. Mixed up some concrete, put that pole in there, level it up. And we've had just fine internet ever since with my Elon Musk. Hello, Bart. How is your speeds? Let's see, because it's been varying from like crazy fast to mediocre. But it is, it's one satellite to the next. There's a big string of them up there. And it's not like it's just one satellite that I'm working off of. It's a battalion of satellites. Because right now I'm looking at the speed. I'm doing an internet speed test, and it's dog ass. You shouldn't be saying that on here. Oh, don't even ask what the speeds are. Don't even. Makes me. But it does save me $80 a month in internet. So I was paying $200 a month. Now with Starlink, it'll be $120. What was I looking at? Earnings. You're looking at earnings. Let's look at the Target. Here's my thoughts on Target and why you probably shouldn't listen to me. One, I entered positions at what? 142 and change is my position after the Tuckabuck scandal. I thought they would certainly be bounced back by now. So it's going to be, was that Wednesday? Yeah. So that's Wednesday. That is Wednesday, 7 a.m. So it'll be before market on Wednesday. Target will report its earnings and they will miss, and they're going to miss, and it's not going to be pretty. That's what the Magic 8 Ball tells me. So that's one of the main reasons I sold those Target calls on Friday, was to take advantage of the volatility, collect some nice premium, because my fear is Target is going to go downtown to Chinatown. In fact, they're down today. Here's the Target. So how I would play it and how I may play it right now. Give me one. That's where we at here. So Target's down here under 130, like well under, almost at 129 flat. So I would sell a call credit spread. Ugh. You betting against your own company? It's not my company. It isn't. All I'm looking for them to do is make me money. I don't shop at Target. I was there recently though. I bought a little baby air fryer for Coco, Maya Coco. She'll be returning home. Her and kid one, Madeline, Madison. They return late Wednesday. They've been gone all summer since the beginning of May. They come back late Wednesday night. So I'll see them all day Thursday. And then Friday, we get a little party for them at the house, kind of a welcome back and goodbye party, because Coco will be driving Coco back down the West Lafayette boiler up on Sunday, moving into the sorority. She's got her own room this year because she's like head of household at the sorority. Bought her a little baby air fryer because she's eating so healthy. Remind me to tell you tomorrow about my new diet. It's called A Diet because I've been eating and drinking everything in sight. And I'm as round as the round mound or rebound. Okay, so Target, what I would do is I would do a call credit spread. Okay, just a short-term call credit spread. I'm not going to do it right now because they may be down again tomorrow. Oh, gosh. And then on Pepsi, gosh, I have no time for any of this right now. I'm just going to roll the dice that Pepsi and Target are still going to be down tomorrow, even further than they're at now. So just real quick, though, I would do a call credit spread on Target, and then I would do a put credit spread on Walmart, because I think they're going to be just the opposites. They're going to play the opposite game. Target's going to have a bad earnings and they're going to suffer the consequences, and Walmart's is going to be pretty good and they're going to pop just a bit, not a lot. So that's how I would play those two. And then Pepsi, I would definitely do a put credit spread. If you wanted to own it, I would do a put credit spread on that because it's at 183.19 right now. I'm not saying that's a bargain, but it's under what I own it at, and it's done just fine for me. So that's just a quick check-in. Hopefully you were able to tune into the video this morning, which was a recap of July's trading, premium collection, dividend in my pocket, and interest gathering. But as far as now is concerned, make sure you do indeed subscribe, like, comment, share with a lovable friend, and I'll see you back here again tomorrow. Until then, have a great day, my friend.